Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am sharing with you how I set up an easy buffet for a large party. I was hosting a birthday party for my daughter. It was her 16th and I had about 50 people at this party. This video is also in part of a collaboration challenge hosted by Mom Does Live Handmade and Nicole Northgarden. I will have both of their channels linked down below as well as the playlist. So let's get started. So I set up my tables in the basement. I have those foldable tables that I got at Costco, and I also like to use paper plates and plastic cutlery. I usually tend to get a better chinette plates and a better plastic cutlery just because there's some cutting required. Then I offer several different salads. Here I had a potato salad, pasta salad, Caesar salad, and mixed salad. I also get my buns at Costco because there's a lot of them and they're a great price and they don't taste that bad. Then I usually offer two different kind of meats. We've had roast pork that I order in, or sometimes we make it. I have a video how we make it, if I'll link it up below. And then I have chicken schnitzel. I also have potatoes, baby potatoes. Now the key to this is if people offer help, accept it. So I tend to ask people to bring desserts if they offer help, or salad. For my dessert table, I like to offer variety as well, and as you can see, most of these desserts I did not make any of them because I've had so much to do to begin with. So a lot of these were brought by my sister, my sister-in-law, my mom, my mother-in-law, and some aunts. And we had purchased a birthday cake for my daughter. So as you can see, we have cheesecakes, we have pies, we have this custard pie here, that's my favorite dessert. We've got some strudels, homemade donuts, and some Nutella truffles. And then I also set up, which I do not have a video of, a Keurig with tea, coffee, cream, sugar, sweetener right beside it, and that way people can make themselves coffee or tea or whatever they like, and I don't have to brew a pot of coffee. They can just make it however they want to. I've been doing these type of parties for quite a long time now, and I have it pretty well planned out, that and I have a party planner that I use, so it doesn't it's not as much work as one would think. But my biggest advice is, people offer help, take it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you check out both of the channels of the hostesses as well as the playlist. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.